Happy Thanksgiving from Mike Troll, Amsoil dealer, number1synthetic.com. So, Thanksgiving blessing, my wife's Pilot wouldn't start yesterday, and from my testing, it appears that all it is the battery. Now, I literally replaced this battery 2.5 years ago, along with my starter and alternator down there. When I tested the battery, it was at 11.8. After a full charge with my AGM specific charger, this thing was still around 11.8 volts. I think I'll be getting a free replacement from Batteries Plus. It's sad when an AGM battery only lasts 2.5 years.